How to stop Wi-Fi to switch to mobile data on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop Wi-Fi to switch to mobile data on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, there you will see an option called Mobile Service or Cellular Data. Tap on it. And after you're there, you will simply need to turn on your mobile data first. After you do that, scroll down all the way. After you scroll down, right around the bottom, you'll find an option called Wi-Fi Assist. So as it says under the description right there, that automatically uses mobile data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So what you can do to stop your Wi-Fi to switch to mobile data on iPhone is turn this Wi-Fi Assist off. After you do that, your Wi-Fi will your iPhone will not switch to mobile data when the Wi-Fi signal gets weak. And that's basically it guys. That is how you stop Wi-Fi to switch to mobile data on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.